Hello, my name is Lily Brightman, and I'm here today to discuss my experiences participating for 3.5 years in Beaumont's Robotics Club. Similar to the BattleBots competitions you may see on TV, the team designs and manufactures a small robot with a destructive weapon while collaborating with a manufacturing company sponsor and gaining real-world experiences in STEM fields. The team then competes with the robot in the regional AWT RoboBots competition and the NRL national competitions, going head-to-head with other equally destructive bots from other schools. Moderated by Mrs. Santo, the Director of Academic Scholars, and the head of the Mathematics Department, Mrs. Stephanie Moran, Beaumont's RoboBots team aims to encourage intellectual curiosity and independent thinking. The Beaumont team has achieved much success at both regional and national level competitions, especially in the categories of Best Engineered, Best Presentation, and Best Documentation. In addition to success in the cage, this team has produced alumni who went on to attend prestigious universities such as Massachusetts Institute of Technology, The Ohio State University, Rochester Institute of Technology, University of Dayton, and Case Western Reserve University. The goal of the robotics team, however, is not only to annihilate our competitors in competitions, but also to gain valuable skills applicable in the real world. Through our teamwork and cooperation, we learn how to support each other as a team. This aligns closely with the mission of Beaumont School and embodies a spirit of leadership and collaboration. In terms of personal experience, when I joined the robotics team, I did not expect us to be the ones manufacturing parts. But because this experience is meant to be so hands-on, I learned actual skills used by professionals in manufacturing every day. Specifically, I learned how to think more like an engineer in the brainstorming process, how to compromise on a design so that everyone contributes and improves the bot, how to model a design in CAD, how to use a bridge machine, how to solder, and how to use an EDM. Aside from these STEM and engineering-focused skills, robotics has taught me about time management, communication, and constant improvement. In order to have an effective bot, you cannot procrastinate, you must communicate well with your team members, and you must maintain a growth mindset so you can be prepared to continuously tweak and upgrade your bot. Although the task of creating a robot from scratch can seem daunting, your moderators, sponsor, and team members are there with you every step of the way. This experience is well worth all the time and effort, as you will gain valuable knowledge, make friends along the way, and hopefully, as we like to say, send the competition home in a box. Thank you.